Welcome to another episode of Star Talk, where we dive into the most fascinating questions about our universe and beyond. Today, we're exploring some truly mind-blowing concepts that will make you think twice about everything you know. From the depths of black holes to the possibility of alien life, we're tackling the biggest mysteries of the cosmos. So, buckle up, get ready to expand your mind, and prepare to be amazed by the wonders of the universe. Let's embark on this cosmic journey together. If I could hop in a spaceship and zoom off to another planet, my first stop would have to be Saturn. I mean, those rings. It's like the universe decided to put on a celestial air show, and trust me, it's a showstopper. But it's not just about the looks. Imagine the scientific mysteries hidden in those icy rings, billions of tiny particles orbiting like a giant cosmic jigsaw puzzle. And let's not forget Titan, Saturn's largest moon. This place is like a time machine to Earth's early days, with its thick atmosphere, methane lakes, and maybe even the building blocks of life itself. Talk about an alien paradise. The universe is a vast and mysterious place, and it begs the question, are we really alone? My bet is we're not. Think about it. Billions of stars, each with its own planetary system. It's statistically improbable that life hasn't taken hold somewhere else. Now where do we start looking? My money's on Europa and Enceladus, moons of Jupiter and Saturn respectively. These icy worlds hide massive oceans beneath their surfaces, potentially teeming with microbial life. Finding even the simplest life forms elsewhere would revolutionize our understanding of life itself. Okay, let's talk time dilation. It's not science fiction. It's a real consequence of Einstein's theory of relativity. Here's the deal. Time is not absolute. It's relative. The faster you move, the slower time passes for you compared to someone standing still. It's like being on a cosmic treadmill. The faster you run, the slower time moves for you. Now imagine approaching the speed of light. Time would practically come to a standstill. It's a mind-bending concept, but it opens up tantalizing possibilities for time travel to the future. Chapter 4. Dark Matter, the universe's invisible hand. Here's a cosmic riddle. We can only see about 5% of the matter in the universe. The rest, we call it dark matter. It's invisible to our telescopes, doesn't emit light, and yet we know it's out there. How? Because of its gravity. Dark matter's gravitational pull holds galaxies together, preventing them from flying apart. It's like an invisible web holding the universe together. Think of it this way. Imagine a shadow puppet show. You see the shadows, but you know there's an unseen hand manipulating them. Dark matter is that unseen hand, shaping the universe from the shadows. Cosmic conversations, chatting with aliens. Imagine making contact with an alien civilization. It would be the most significant event in human history. What would I ask them? First and foremost, how did you solve the Fermi paradox? This paradox asks, if the universe is teeming with life, where is everybody? Their answer could unlock some of the universe's biggest secrets, and maybe even teach us how to avoid the pitfalls that could lead to our own demise. We could learn so much from a civilization that has figured out interstellar travel and communication. Earth's sudden stop, a recipe for disaster. What if Earth decided to hit the brakes on its rotation? Talk about a bad day for everyone involved. Everything not bolted down, including us, would be flung eastward at hundreds of miles per hour. Imagine buildings crumbling, oceans sloshing onto land in massive tsunamis, and winds whipping up to unimaginable speeds. It would be a global apocalypse of epic proportions. The Earth's rotation is a delicate balance, and disrupting it would have catastrophic consequences. Hold on tight because things are about to get weird. The multiverse theory suggests that our universe is just one of many bubbles existing in a vast cosmic foam. Each bubble universe could have different laws of physics, different dimensions, maybe even different versions of ourselves. It's like a cosmic lottery where every possibility is played out somewhere in the multiverse. It's a mind-boggling concept. But hey, if the universe can be infinite, why not infinite universes? Black holes, the ultimate cosmic vacuum cleaners. These objects are so dense that nothing, not even light, can escape their gravitational pull. But what's inside? At the heart of a black hole lies a singularity, a point of infinite density where the laws of physics as we know them break down. It's like trying to divide by zero. The universe throws its hands up and says, we don't know what happens there. As for escaping a black hole, let's just say it's not on my to-do list. Quantum entanglement is one of the weirdest, most mind-bending phenomena in quantum mechanics. Imagine two particles linked in such a way that measuring the state of one instantly affects the state of the other, no matter how far apart they are. It's like two coins flipped at the same time, always landing on the same side, even if they're light years away. Einstein called it spooky action at a distance, and it has profound implications for our understanding of reality. Chapter 10. Time Travel Paradoxes. Can we change the past? Time travel to the future? Entirely possible thanks to time dilation. But going back in time, that's where things get tricky. The paradoxes alone are enough to make your head spin. Imagine going back and accidentally preventing your own birth. It creates a logical loop that could unravel the fabric of reality. While time travel to the past remains a theoretical concept, it fuels our imaginations and makes us question the nature of time itself. Chapter 11. Martian Pioneers. Building a home on the Red Planet. Imagine humans living on Mars. It's no longer science fiction, it's within our reach. We'll need to get creative, building habitats that provide oxygen, water, and protection from radiation. But the Martian landscape offers incredible opportunities for exploration and scientific discovery. Think of the first Martian colonists as pioneers, paving the way for future generations to expand humanity's reach beyond Earth. Chapter 12. Is our reality just a simulation? Buckle up because this one's a real mind-bender, the simulation theory. What if our reality is just a highly advanced computer simulation run by a super-intelligent civilization? It sounds crazy, but think about it. Our technology is advancing at an exponential rate. It's not inconceivable that one day, we'll be able to create simulations indistinguishable from reality. If that's the case, how can we be sure we're not already living in one? Chapter 13. A conversation with Tesla, the future of energy. If I could have a chat with any historical figure, it would be Nikola Tesla. This visionary genius was way ahead of his time, dreaming up ideas like wireless energy transmission and harnessing the power of the universe. I'd love to pick his brain about sustainable energy solutions and the future of technology. Imagine the insights we could gain from a mind that conceived alternating current and envisioned a world powered by clean energy. Antimatter, the ultimate energy source. Talk about an explosive topic, antimatter. When antimatter meets its counterpart matter, they annihilate each other, releasing a tremendous amount of energy. We're talking about the most efficient energy source imaginable. The catch? Producing and storing antimatter is incredibly difficult and expensive, but hey, if we could crack the code on antimatter, we'd be looking at a future of nearly limitless clean energy. Chapter 15. Wormholes. Shortcuts through space and time. Wormholes are like cosmic shortcuts, tunnels through the fabric of space-time that could potentially allow us to travel vast distances faster than the speed of light. Imagine stepping into a wormhole and popping out on the other side of the galaxy. It's a tantalizing concept, but wormholes remain purely theoretical. We don't know if they exist, how to create them, or if they'd even be stable enough to travel through. The Great Filter. Are we destined to fail? The Great Filter theory is a bit of a downer, but it's a question we have to ask. Is there a filter, a barrier that prevents intelligent civilizations from reaching a certain level of technological advancement? This filter could be anything from self-destruction through nuclear war to environmental collapse. The fact that we haven't encountered any other intelligent life yet suggests that the Great Filter might be real, and that we might not be immune to it. Quantum computing, the future of problem solving. Get ready for the quantum revolution. Quantum computers are about to change the game. Unlike classical computers that use bits, which can be either a 0 or a 1, quantum computers use qubits. These qubits can represent multiple states simultaneously, giving them the power to solve complex problems exponentially faster than classical computers. We're talking about breakthroughs in medicine, materials science, artificial intelligence, and countless other fields. Artificial intelligence is rapidly evolving, but can we create machines that are truly conscious? Current AI can mimic human conversation, learn from data, and even create art, but is it truly self-aware? Some argue that consciousness is an emergent property of complex systems, while others believe it requires something more, something uniquely biological. It's a question that philosophers and scientists have been grappling with for centuries, and it's only becoming more relevant as AI becomes more sophisticated. If the universe is truly infinite, then the possibilities are literally endless. The many worlds hypothesis takes this idea to the extreme, suggesting that every quantum measurement, every possible outcome, creates a new branch of the universe. In other words, there could be an infinite number of parallel universes out there, each slightly different from our own. Imagine a universe where you made a different choice, where history unfolded differently. It's a mind-boggling concept with profound implications for our understanding of reality. We're already merging with technology in many ways, from smartphones to wearable fitness trackers. But what about a future where the lines between human and machine become blurred? Imagine prosthetic limbs controlled by thought, neural implants that enhance our cognitive abilities, or even the ability to upload our consciousness into a digital realm. The cyborg future might sound like science fiction, but it's a path we're already on, and it raises profound ethical and philosophical questions about what it means to be human. Thanks for joining us on this journey through some of the most intriguing questions about our universe. From the mind-bending concepts of quantum mechanics to the search for life beyond Earth, we've explored the cosmos and pushed the boundaries of our understanding. Remember, the universe is full of mysteries waiting to be unraveled. So keep looking up, stay curious, and never stop asking questions. Who knows what incredible discoveries await us in the vast expanse of the cosmos?